Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm showing off a couple of my smart dolls. It is what, the 25th of August?
It's hard to believe.
And I'm standing here in a sweatshirt. It's cold. It's cold in the Midwest. I mean, cold. I went out to walk the dogs, cold. But these girls are in their summer outfits. She still has on her ice skates, which are going to come off. I love them. I hate to take them off. I went twice to redress her and didn't. My little summertime Haruka, I just love this doll, and I love this outfit I found on eBay. I bought another, and I'm looking at yet another outfit. I just think they're the cutest thing. Will I send you a link? No. You might buy the one I want. All right, let me get this open. Let's see. Here we go. I bought, those hot fall days. Oh, look, she sent me a little extra. How nice was that? Oh, and it really matches, so that's really cute. All right, let's open this, and let's show you this, and then I'll get Fortitude dressed and show you the outfit on her. Well, that was really nice. She sent that, and boy, that's cute with it. This outfit is like the one that Summertime Haruka has on. These little hair clips are cute.
Need those for earrings or something.
These are lined too. I was going to say that. They have 2 snaps in the back, and they're fully lined, which I really like. And there's 2 snaps in the back of this. A lot of work. A lot of work went in this. Beautiful work. Aren't they just adorable? 2 friends out with their bare feet and their little summer fall print outfits, out having a good time. I love these dolls. If you're thinking about getting a smart doll, ooh, those tariffs. But they are wonderful dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Tell me what you think of my little outfits. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Well, I think she's adorable.
I do too. Love her face.